How to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to do so, here's how you can do it, which is super easy and perfect. So you can follow this step-by-step tutorial for that and you should be able to do it. So let's get started. So for that, what we can do is we can start by opening up Google Sheets and open up your data. For example, let's say this is an example data. You can open up your own. What we can do is we can just go over and select the column or the range that we would like to, get the duplicate values from. And once we have selected it, what we can do is we can go to the format option in the top, and within format, we can go to the conditional formatting option here. So select this option right here. And under format rules, we can select the option of choose custom formula is. You can just go over and select the option of this custom formula is. And once you've done so, you can enter out this formula right here, which is this one right here. So you can just go over and enter out this formula and you can directly see it highlights the duplicate ones here. You can just go over and check it out. And we can even choose up a color here. We have formatting style available. We can choose up a highlight color, for example, yellow, red, etc. and apply it up. Let's choose red here. And there we go. You can just go over and do, and all the duplicate values will be now highlighted automatically. And if you want to highlight only the second duplicate entry, you can use this formula instead. This one right here. So type in a is equal to count if $a $1 and a1 a comma a1 and greater than sign for 1, and you can just go over and only highlight the second entry and that should work out for you. You can just go over and use this method. Conditional formatting updates automatically, so any new duplicates will be highlighted instantly if done. And that's it, everybody. You can tap on done once it is confirmed, and that will provide you the duplicates that you're looking for. So that is it. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.